Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Mazzer Luigi grinder. So I just gave this grinder a little tune-up. I replaced the burrs, here are the old ones, and then I just cleaned out the whole machine. So cleaned out all the coffee residue from this doser, and cleaned the glass here and here, cleaned the entire hopper. Just had a lot of coffee oil and residue build up, and cleaned up all the buildup within the grinder itself. So I'm just gonna grind some coffee just to show you that everything's working.
For the second time of it.
So you can see here, this is fine enough for espresso. Could go a little finer, but yeah. There you go. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.